Yo, this is one of the most fire belts I got in my collection right now. What's going on, y'all? You already know, today we here with a quick little review, you know what I'm saying? Just a quick little pickup. I just wanted to show y'all a little sign I just got. Show you how I feel about it. I want to know what y'all feel about it. But let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Because today we got a belt from Stolen Arts. And just get straight to it. Look at the baggie. This baggie is so tough. Hold on, let me. Bag got nice little rhinestones. This shit is tough. This shit is tough. I've been really excited for this belt. I've been waiting for this to come in. I've been trying to get a Stolen Arts belt for months. So Stolen Arts makes a lot of crazy belts. When I first saw about them and I saw what they had, I was like, yo, these is fire. Then they revealed this one on IG and I was just like, yo. As you can see, the box. Calm little box. I actually haven't opened this up yet. Opening it up for the first time on camera with y'all, because that's just how we do it over here. All authentic, you see what I'm saying? No scripts, no. So without further ado, you feel me? Real quick. Damn, I'm like looking at it in the mirror. Damn. Wait. Cause I knew this was a spitter belt, but yeah. What? This is the belt that looked like the WWE belt, and that's actually why I copped it. Yo. Dun, 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 dun. Championship belt. That's actually what it's called too. It's called the championship belt. So let's look at the details on this John real quick. As you see, you got the SA Stolen Arts size 38. Size. Hold on, I'm gonna try it on real quick. I'm gonna get back to y'all. So yo, I just tried it on and I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of mad. I mean, like, this is such a fire belt. My pants size is a size 36. On the website, it tells you the size up 2 inches, so I got the size 38. But when I was ordering the belt, I was debating between 38 and 40, and I feel like I should have went with 40. As you can see, the belt kind of just like it fits. It fits right where it's supposed to. Next time I get a belt from Stolen Arts, I'm probably gonna go up to a size 40 instead, because I do like extra belt hanging out at the end. I fake wanted to get this a little bigger. I wasn't sure though. That's one thing, I wasn't sure, but I ain't even mad for real. This belt is still tough, and now I just know what to cop on my next cop. You know what I'm saying? But I actually copped this day they dropped it, because I want to be sure I got mine, you know what I'm saying? And I'm so glad I did. They got some other fire belts too. They got this one like Hello Kitty belt that I'm low-key praying on. I think they just dropped this like Scream belt. Hard. I wanted to cop, but I had funds, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shout out them for real, because they know what they're doing. I'm definitely gonna be going for one of the other belts next drop they have. I'm definitely going for it, because this is it. Not yet. And this brand got mass celebrities wearing their belt. I'm not gonna hold you. Stolen Arts, they next up. Why get a BB belt when you can get this, John? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can tell I'm geeked about this belt. When they first previewed this belt on IG, I already knew in my head, like, yeah, that's the one. That's the one I'm a cop. So I copped on release day, you know what I'm saying? Like, I made sure I got mine. It got me feeling like a motherfucking champion, though. Wait, hold on. This is really the adult version of walking around with that big ass WWE belt as a kid. Like, I know what I'm talking about for real. Listen, Stolen Arts, y'all did y'all thing. What the hell? This shit is so tough. I'm definitely gonna be copping something else from y'all. This is definitely well made. You know, a little championship on the belt. Something light though, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, 10 out of 10. Yo, Stolen Arts, keep doing y'all thing. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored. This video ain't none of that. I'm just on here letting y'all know my thoughts and opinions. I'm just here to give y'all my unbiased opinion. I mean, it might be biased because I like it, so I don't know. But all I know is tough. And this buckle is so hard. But yeah, shout out Stolen Arts. Fire ass belt. Can't wait to see what else y'all drop. And thank y'all for watching the video. Till next time.